In this guide, we're going over all of the controls here in Paradox in Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions. Just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you left click, you're going to do your M1 attack, and of course this is going to be used for combos and basic damage. You can go ahead and hit R, and of course I'm not going to do anything right now, but you could hit R, right, to do your heavy attack or critical attack. You can hit F to block or parry incoming damage, Q to dash for movement or dodging as well. You can hold shift to run faster and left alt to enable shift lock for better camera control. You can go ahead and hit B to, grip down enemies, G to carry players, T to use your special ability, N to open up your meditation, and then M to actually open up the menu itself. If you press comma, you can highlight nearby NPCs, and of course you could also right click, which is going to be used for feints and other advanced combat moves. If you learn these early, you'll be good to go, but what you could also do is just select this little settings gear, just like so, and then you could see all the keybinds in this exact same section. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.